Welcome back. In this video, we'll be solving a question on mensuration. We're given the diagonals of the rhombus 14 centimeters and 9 centimeters, and we are asked to calculate the perimeter of the rhombus. Before we jump into solving the question, let's learn some properties of a rhombus. Number one, all the four sides of a rhombus are equal in length. So just like a square, a rhombus has four sides that are all equal in length. Let me draw a rough sketch. So this is what a rhombus looks like. So all the sides are equal in length. Another property is that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degrees but are not equal in length. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. That is, it divides it into equal halves, but these diagonals are not equal. That's why even from the question, we are given two different values. So say the first diagonal here, let's assume it is the one that is 14 centimeters, and the other one is 9 centimeters. We have the two diagonals bisecting each other, and one of the properties, like I mentioned, that you should know is that the diagonals are not equal, but they bisect each other at 90 degrees. And also another property of a rhombus that you should know is that the opposite angles are equal. So we have all four sides equal in length, we have opposite angles being equal, and the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees but are not equal in length. So if this diagonal is 14 centimeters, that means the first part is 7 centimeters, the other one will be 7 centimeters, because we said they bisect each other, which means we have two equal halves. Then for the other one, if everything is 9 centimeters, that means I'll have 9 over 2 centimeter and another 9 over 2 centimeter. My diagram is quite small, that's why everything is jam-packed. So let me draw out one of the triangles that I have. This side is 9 over 2 centimeter. This side is 7 centimeter. I do not know what the length is, the length of my rhombus. So of course we mentioned that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degrees. That means the angle right here is 90 degrees. And now you see that I have a right angle triangle, so I can work with Pythagoras theorem. That means the square of L is the sum of 9 over 2 squared and 7 squared. So L squared equals to 20.25 plus 49. L squared will be equal to 69.25. So let's calculate the square root of 69.25, which will give me 8.322 centimeters. So that means the length of this particular rhombus is 8.322 centimeters. But I'm asked to calculate the perimeter. And of course, the perimeter is the sum of all the lengths. And since they are equal, the perimeter is 4L, just like that of a square. So that means the perimeter is 4 multiplied by 8.322 centimeters, which is equal to 33.288 centimeters. And I'm asked to give my answer correct to the nearest centimeter. That means the perimeter is equal to 33 centimeters to the nearest centimeter.